Justin here with Home Safe Dryer Vent Solutions here in Plano, Texas. I am checking out these water lines for this customer. So these type of water lines, they're considered rubber water lines. We recommend metal braided hoses because metal braided hoses last longer, they're more efficient, and you don't have to change them out as often. The rubber hoses, they're recommended to change out every 3 to 5 years. The metal braided ones every 5 to 7 years. The drain line here, it had a little tie down on it, but we're going to change the tie down to a zip tie. And the drain line, it should be in the drain a little bit deeper than what this is right here, so we'll fix that as well and get that all set. So if you want some really good washer hoses, we do offer and recommend them. These are the best on the market right now. They're triple braided with a special flex coating over the top of them, and the inside diameter is a lot bigger, so it'll help fill the washer up a lot quicker and save on water. So if you want us to come out, please give Home Safe a call and we'll come out and check it all out. All right, appreciate it.